Hindi ko lang alam kung anong uunahin.
Madali lang yan. Itong kanin, tapos lalagyan mo yung sabaw. Yan. Tapos, lalagyan mo tong karne. Tapos, pwedeng may toyo, patis. Gusto niyo po?
It's okay, I'll try this first. It's so good. Sarap.
Mas pogi, free sabaw.
No way, that's free?
Yes, with free refill pa yan dahil bumili kayo ng combo meal.
That's a really good marketing strategy, ah.
Normal dito yan. Libre sabaw talaga, di ba ate?
No way.